you
How
go.
much do you sleep in a day?
The average student will only get 3 hours of sleep on average for the entire week. That's it.
For the entire week?
The entire week. You don't sleep. And when you do finally get to sleep, and it's not like they let you go lay in a bed, you're like laying on the ground and your body's so sleep deprived, you'll instantly go into REM and deep sleep. And then they'll wake you up like only 20 minutes later. And it's so painful because it's like you're unconscious and they're screaming at you to get up and go and you're trying to figure things out. So it's just chaos. It's chaos and it's painful. By the end of the week, by 3 or 4 days in, so 96 hours, by Wednesday or Thursday, you're starting to hallucinate. I remember I was hearing voices. I was seeing things that weren't there. Like I